If you want to move a text box in Prezi, this video will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you're rearranging text on a slide, adjusting your layout, or simply trying to make your presentation look cleaner, this is a very easy edit once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Prezi tips just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open the presentation you want to edit. Make sure you're inside the project that contains the text box you want to move. Once the presentation loads, look for the text box on your canvas. Click directly on any text box and you'll see a blue outline appear around it. That blue text box border shows you that the object is selected and ready to be moved. Now, click and hold on the blue line of the text box, not just the text inside it. When you do that, you can drag and drop the text box wherever you need it on the presentation. Move it to a better spot, line it up with other elements, or place it somewhere that looks more balanced on the screen. If you want more precise placement, just take your time while dragging until it sits exactly where you want it. Once it's in position, release your mouse and the text box will stay in its new location. You can repeat the same steps for any other text box in your Prezi presentation. Just click the box, wait for the blue outline, and drag it into place. It's a simple workflow, but knowing this can save you a lot of time when editing your presentation layout. So again, the process is to open your presentation, click the text box until the blue border appears, then drag the blue line to move it where you want. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Prezi tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.